It is absolutely a summer's day. Sandend. Tuesday, 29th of September, and believe it or not, it's probably the best day of the lot. It's absolutely unbelievable. I'm at the wrong end of town, look. Don't mess with the thugs. Well, this is Portsoy, 17th century harbour. A more fantastic scene I cannot imagine. It's absolutely beautiful. The weather is absolutely stunning. It's just like summer. I'm in a t-shirt here. I'm still warm. Got flatfish there. Huh. You think I can't see you, don't you? Well, I can. Look, it's gone investigating that juddy I've chucked in. Doesn't fancy it. What is to stop me putting my boat in there right now? Absolutely nothing. Oh my god. I was having second thoughts about this place. I've no idea what to expect. I don't know what's here. Look at it. Yep, the boat is going in. Oh my god, look at that. Well, I don't care what happens, I'm putting my boat in there. If it's all dried out later on and I have to bring it out over there, I'll live with that. And walk back round for the van or something. But this is just immense, look at that, it's beautiful. Ooh, it's the launch of the week, that. Look at that. It's a proper summer's day. It's been that bad, it's really been bad. It's El Nino year, do you know what El Nino is?
No, but I heard it's going to affect our weather this year. We're going to be very hot in Australia this year.
Yeah, it's El Nino.
Yeah.
This is Portsoy, 17th century harbour. Just having a few little stretches and before I go. Oh my god, this is one of the best launches I've ever had. The water's like gin even in the harbour. Looks like the toilets to me, that. There's the van. Ooh. Look at that. I know that all this will be dry later on. There's the other part of the harbour. Well, that ain't 17th century, is it? Well, you try to kid here. Come on. I think it's going to be a rock hopping day. It reminds me of Roscollin, somewhere like that. I'm out today on the 29th of September. I've not even got my spray top on, it's that warm today. It's the hottest day of the lot. The nicest day of the lot, it's absolutely fabulous. It's Portsoy. And I'm going round here. I don't know what's round there. Something needs investigating over there. That straight, strange line. I don't know what that is. It's either a jobby pipe or... Look at this rock here. It's as black as coal. Black. Some kind of miniature little harbour. Well, it's the most curious thing. Like an open air swimming pool. Can't read what the sign says, I'm going to have to get the binos on it. There's no entrance to it. Look how gin clear that water is, it's fantastic, it's amazing. It actually says the poo is loose. This poo is loose, it says. I think it's this pool is something. Somebody's erased some of the letters to make it say this poo is loose. It's a pool, but yet it says no swimming. This is where the water comes in. And that's where it goes out. Oh, it's the strangest thing. See if I can get it on the camcorder. The poo is loose. I think it means the pool is closed. The poo is loose. They don't want to spend any money on it, and that's the end of it. Oh, it's a lovely smell here. The poo is loose. Who said they don't teach young uns nothing at school these days, huh? That took some imagination, didn't it? I don't know if you can see them clouds behind me, but they're not good. They're not a good sign. That usually means it's going to get windy. It's now coming from the sort of north. They did say variable, the Coast Guard. There's some kind of reef here, and I am going to watch what I'm doing. That's not a reef, it's a diver. Bloody hell. Well, looky here. Yeah, it's a bit like, I could be down in mid-Wales, somewhere like Wickadina's Head or something like that. It's going to be a rock hopping day, that's for sure. The best day of the lot, this, weather-wise. Is it better than that one up Farns? I think it is. It just feels like it's going to be like this all day. It's like a summer's day. I think it's warmer than it was at Farns. There's the shags. Wow. Just one of them lazy, dreamy days where you're just messing about in small boats. Now then, this is where the rock changes from the black stuff we have here to the grey stuff we have there. What a place for snorkeling or diving or swimming or kayaking. We'll go through that little gap there. Let's see where that takes me. And when I say little gap, it's smaller than it looks. Oh, the little double bay thing. Look at this, another perfect little bay. Perfect little bay, look at that. That seal, that seal. Oh, they're gone now, all the bloody... Oh, it's that. Look, what's that? Just a rock. Somebody else on a kayak, surely. Sure, I've just seen somebody's head there. No way. Well, by the hell. Two of them. How do? This nice granite, isn't it? No, it's not granite, you're right, it's like look at that water there, look at that. You just cannot get over how clear this water is. There's Portsoy, never looked better. I should have waited for him on the car park and said, I am the sea police and you have been loitering with intent, you made up something, you know. Look at us, we're like lemmings. Oh. Look at that. Choice of two. Oh. Yeah, she's coming.
You go in any place over the ground.
Yeah.
So we start the hoist the iron topsail, you know, start the engine. Yeah. And we're chugging away.
Keep that running now and just paddle down the road.
I could see it from here.
I've been shaking again.
Oh, I could see what you mean now. Yeah, I was looking at the other one. I got you. I thought it went straight in that way. Just the way.
And you can go through it, or you can go around it and back again.
Oh, it's like that, is it?
Yeah, you've got your two arrows as well, right?
Let's see, which way shall I go?
Go both ways.
Decisions, decisions. 166, Capella 166. Is this our next challenge, is it? Oh, that's easy, that. Oh, it's one of them, is it? I usually find out this. I get here, I think, oh, this looks easy. miniature gully of death. Oh.
One of the best surf beaches in Scotland.
Right, Sandend.
Sandend.
There's a Sands End in on the Yorkshire coast. That's
Yes,
near
there's a Sandend.
Whitby. I had a lovely ham salad sandwich waiting for me. It was a Anglesey once and it was in my back hatch here. And I landed on the beach and it was all soggy. Soggy bread's bad enough, but soggy with seawater. The seagulls loved it.
Yeah, this is Sandend. Beautiful curved bay. Getting a bit of a rip at the far end of it.
See, now I would have probably got to here and turned back. As nice as this is, I think I've made the wrong decision. What I was going to do is head back down towards Aberdeen and then start making my way back home that way, you know, instead of one big journey all the way.
Yeah.
So I fancied doing this Bullers of Buchan. Buchan Ness and...
Yeah, just while the tide is...
You get the weather, yeah, it's fine.
But it's the southerly, if on a southerly it picks it up on that coast, doesn't it? High summer, isn't it? Eh? This is just... Whew. They uttered that magic word yesterday when I phoned the Coast Guard. I don't know what they're doing there in Aberdeen Coast Guard when you phone up. It sounds like they're having playing cards or something in the background.
Quite possibly.
I don't think there's much Coast Guarding going on. Anyway, you sort of... I can imagine it's like, "Ush, there's somebody on the phone, you know. Hello." I said, "Weather forecast for tomorrow, please." And she uttered that word, variable. That's the word you want to hear, isn't it? But she said it was going to get windy. I'm running out of socks, you know. I've only brought X amount of pairs of socks. I've had to go and buy a new lot of socks. I'm going to have to get some underpants as well. Oh my God.
Lies or something, the whole thing went to court. And he said, no, I wasn't telling lies, I was being economic with the truth.
She's in front of us, look, what's going on? Wow, what a day. What a day. This has got to be the best day of the year, surely to God.
Oh, yesterday wasn't bad.
It wasn't like
We
this.
went here yesterday. We went
Yes.
to Nokia yesterday with Jim.
Yeah, Sunday.
And Sunday we were round here.
Oh, it's beautiful, but it's nothing like this. This is a proper summer's day for me, this. So it's what? Findlater? Findlater Castle. Really gives it a good scale, doesn't it? You know, when you see somebody like...
There's coastal path all round here. You can walk all the way right through here.
All right.
Is it nice? It's a lovely walk.
Well, I thought you could anyway now, couldn't you? Here's the remains. Findlater Castle. It's just like Fast Castle. And if the camera can pick them up, there's loads of flies. This truly is a summer's day. This truly is summer's last fling.
Because we had lunch in one of these big caves. It's all volcanic.
Oh yeah.
And it's tufa with the boulders in it.
Oh, two for you, yeah.
And Norman says, "Did any of these ever fall down?" He says, "No, not very often." And one went, "Fall down." But this is quite something.
It's a lot better than I thought. A lot more to it than I thought.
Yeah.
What do you want to do? Do you want to land here or?
You can land.
You can, but it can.
If you want to go back, don't you worry. I'll get.
Got dogs at home. Put them to bed.
We'll show you the...
It's only 3:30. I'll easily get back in that. It's not that far of a distance.
Yeah.
No, just think of that narrow bit along there.
Oh yeah.
If you head in,
I'll find it. Don't you worry. I'll just hug the coast.
looking for them, there's lots of little.
I'll probably have a look at the little village as well on the way past the little harbour. Findlater Castle. Findlater Castle. Be a bit drafty in there now, I would think, in winter. I'm going to have to pull out here. The worst bit is all this dead kelp. It stinks, Mons heap. Mons heap. I'm in a lovely spot here. I was going to have some lunch, but it's just too bad underfoot. It's very... Ooh, there's a broken ankle potential here. Plus this tide's going to drop. I don't know what's going to be exposed there. Could be one of them. So I'm going to have a quick summit, bit of a drink. Not got time for the brew and that. And I might paddle either around. It's a lovely old place though. What's this coming over? Oh, it's a crow, it's a rook. Thought it was a... Oh no, it's not, it's a jackdaw. Look at this rock, it's like timber. Just like exposed timber. Now Alice informs me that this is... Oh, it stinks there, Jesus. Oh, rotting kelp. Really bad, that. Informs me that this is a fantastic beach, one of her favourites. So I've got to go and check it out. Oh, it really stinks here. What's going on? Oh, it must be that beach over there. Oh. So it's a good surf beach, this. Whoa, that really stunk. You see why it's good surf beach, it's very shallow. Shallow. It looks flat today for me. Well, Alice, you were right about this beach. It is beautiful. I don't know about the best one, but it's very good. Absolutely. Look at that. Doesn't even feel cold anymore, the sea. It feels warmer here than it did at the farms. It is absolutely a summer's day. There's no question about it. No spray top required. Oh, hang on. That's better. as usual. Didn't really have time for something to eat. Don't have time for doing baking and all that and making a brew. Didn't really feel that hungry until I started. And now I've started. Seriously strong. Good stuff. Made in Scotland from girders. Now Alice and Norman tell me that this is the last bit of the course that's really interesting. Once you turn that corner, it all goes a bit sand and a bit flatty and a bit dull. So this is me working my way west along the north coast of Aberdeenshire. I'm going to work my way back now and probably work my way south now and start heading up towards home. This is without a doubt the best day of the year. There's hardly a breath of wind here now. I can see, if you look in the air, I don't know, the camera can't see, I can see strings of spiders' webs floating, sugar stealers, all that carry on that you get in summer, flies and all that, midges. Not midges like on the west coast, you know, just the odd little midges. Absolutely incredible it is. Look at that sky over there. That sky says summer. It says high summer. It says July to me. August maybe, the best you're going to get all year. This is it. I was here. How lucky am I? It was windy last night, it got up windy. Well, I've given somebody a laugh. Oh my God. No one could touch me. I timed it to perfection. Absolutely piss wet. Buckets of water all over me. Oh my God. There's no one can touch me. The last thing I wanted to do was get wet there. It's going to go dark now, it's going to start going cold, and I'm piss wet. Just what I needed. Some people there giving it some scale. Not the highest cliffs, they're about what? 25 metres. Magic that now, the sun's just catching it. Findlater Castle. I've just seen at least a foot and a half long fish go up, swim right underneath me hot seabed here. You could just paddle round until you see fish and then chuck your thing in. It's that clear. Just saw it swim past nonchalantly. Going, someone in a kayak. Sensational this late evening, afternoon sun. What time we now? 5 to 5. Crackerjack! Ooh, that's it, it's dried out. An escape here. I'm hoping so. Yep, there's my escape. What's in here? Nothing there. Oh! Oh! Never saw you, lad. Never saw you. Oh! Look at that. Look at that. I can hear a bird in there, but I can't see it. Well, I can't get that way, whatever was that way. Just look at conditions. As perfect as any sky at any time of the year. Ooh, this is what we're tight here. Don't like looks of this. Good God, look at that. Jesus. Whoa! Yep, it was tight, alright. Bloody hell. Come on, get me off here. Jesus. I'd ride out then. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ooh. That was dodgy. There's just bay after bay of all this. It's all interesting stuff, but I'm just running out of time to see it all. This is the bay of Sandend. Oh, it looks good down there. Look at that. Craggy and rocky and bouldery and good stuff. Well, I ain't got time. I'm going to have to straight across the bay. That's the little port of Sandend, which I ain't got time to do. And this beach, it's supposed to be a good surf beach, she tells me. I do believe it. I can imagine it in winter when there's a bit of swell. That's a bit better now. I'll just turn myself round in the wave. I can just get a bit more steady. Sandend. Ooh, look at it over there. By the hell. Wow, look at that sky. There's another amazing sky. It's another amazing Photoshop sky. That's looking back at Sandend. What can you say about them clouds? They're just like a dream. I can see them just moving very, very gently. They're drifting from left to right. Now here's the situation I'm in. That way the camera is pointing down the Moray Firth to Inverness. So I'm actually pointing west there. Now if I look over there beyond them boats, them trawlers, you can see some land in the background. You can just see some hills. And they told me where it was. That's basically that coastline going up to Wick, up to the very north of Scotland. So beyond there you'd have Inverness, I can't remember, Helmsdale, Wick, and then it's like John de Groot's himself, Duncansby Head, and the Orkneys. And then you got little old me sat here in the middle with this like photoshopped mackerel sky. Sky's getting even more photoshoppy. Can't photoshop in video camera, can I? Eh? There's no denying that one. I think I'm into mackerel here again. That look like a very mackerel-y type of... I'm sure this is them. Unless there's some peculiar current. I said before I thought they were here. No. It is, it's the mackerel. I was right, Alice and Norman. I said to you before I thought there was a shoal of mackerel here, and I was right. I knew there was. Look, there they are. Just heard them over there jumping out at water. See where the water's disturbed there, that's them. Definitely. Definitely. Well, let's have a look at the view here now. My next stop is Portsoy on the right. Right in the distance, as far as the eye can see, is Troop Head. Listen them over there, the mackerel. I'm going to go in a minute and sort them out. This has been every inch of summer's day. From the flies, from the sugar stealers, the flat calm sea, the warm. It's just been as good as any summer's day. I got wet on that beach at 4 o'clock and look at me now, I'm virtually dry. That's even at this time at night. It's cooling off, but it's still drying me out. Right, where's these mackerel gone? An audience of thousands. Oh, sun's gone behind the cloud. Who'd have thought? Can it be done? Can this gap be done? I was plenty confident until that last wave went through. Oof. It's a paddle snapper, alright. Oh dear. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, look at that one. I think I've already done these. Oh yes. Just the law that you have to do them. Ooh. Get over there. Oh. Get back. Oh. Oh, that was bad. Lost control of it there. Couldn't get me paddling proper to get the I've even splashed the camera there. Bloody. That's it, take a dive. That's it there, Portsoy. It's not so bad. Be back in no time. Now I have to go and see what punishment awaits me in this harbour because it's dried out. Well, I was just got set. By God, that looks like some men in a rowing boat. It is. Holy scamoly. What's going on there? Oh, it's a gig boat, that's why. That's what you want, the coxswain's job. Left, right, row, row, that's it, stroke, stroke, stroke. How hard is that? Go back to Portsoy. Portsoy sauce. Look at that majestic heron there. It's just stuck its neck down. Stood with its neck straight up, it was a minute ago. It's adopting a low profile, trying to blend in. I know what's going on. It is granite, some of this rock. I'm not sure actually. Well, all things considered, on the 29th of September in any year, let alone the year of 2015, this has got to be the perfect day. We're moving them gig boats. See what fate awaits me at low water. I'm going to be using mud. Oh God. It's going to be kelp, it's going to be rock. I'm going to have to empty the boat and carry it on my shoulder. I'm not looking forward to it. There's plenty of water here. That bit's dried out where I launched. But if I can get in here, well, there's the van. Ooh, it's drying out now. Oh, that'll do for me, look at that. Doddle. Putting litter in that bin near that van, do you mind? Wow. Look at the atmosphere in there. Fantastic. Even better if that pub's open, I can get a bit of chaps and fash. There's a fish shop there. I don't know if it's a chippy or what, or just a fish shop. Well, considering it was only meant to be a little poodling paddle, it ended up at 8.8 miles. With a maximum speed of 6.9. That'll have been going landing on that beach on that surf, for sure. Lovely old place this. Well, I'm loving that shot there with the van in the background. You can just see the van there. Yeah. Yeah, you do that. Oh, it's a fine old place. Look at that sunset. That is it. Wonder how far away that is. I'll get a burn off the harbour. Oh, it stinks here. Jesus. In a gale.
Well, it is. You often get gales at this time of the year.
Oh yeah.
Aye, quite common that.
This supermoon what's kept them away, I think.
Did you see it the other night?
Oh, it was unbelievable.
I have seen the lunar eclipse before where the moon turns red, but it wasn't a super moon. So.
I actually filmed it with this, believe it or not, from Kinnaird Head Lighthouse. Do you know what that is?
Yeah,
At
where you're at, yeah.
picture postcard here, I love it.
Oh well.
Wasn't so happy when I came back in and the harbour was empty though. That's never good. Portsoy.